Hi, this is Schulthies. Welcome to Success Tips. There are two places where you'll meet new customers. One, at your dealership, and two, at your digital dealership. Both are walking through your doors, physical doors or digital doors. Both want to buy a vehicle. In fact, many dealerships now have more digital customers than showroom customers. To be successful with an e-lead customer, you need to treat them the same as a showroom customer, with the same interest, enthusiasm, patience, and willingness to provide information. Pretend they're sitting in front of you. The goal of replying to the customer's e-lead is to either 1, gain a showroom appointment, or 2, continue the conversation and nurture the relationship. But how can you gain a showroom appointment? Well, let me start with how not to. If a customer sends an e-lead and asks for an idea as to what their trade-in might be worth, don't tell them that they'll have to bring it down to the dealership. If they wanted to come down to the dealership, they'd already be at the dealership. Instead, give the customer options. For example, your e-lead reply might read as follows. My name is Schulthies, Digital Sales Consultant. Thank you kindly for your email. Would I be correct in assuming that you'd like to get a reasonable idea of what a vehicle similar to yours might be worth as a trade-in? If so, I have 2 options for you. 1, I could provide you with a chartered bank value and our unique live market analysis of vehicles similar to yours. It's important for me to note that some vehicles fall below the guideline, while some vehicles actually fetch more than the guideline. Or 2, I could arrange to have your vehicle professionally appraised. This would take less than a half hour at our dealership and is provided to you on a no-charge basis and without obligation. The appraisal is a comprehensive process and will provide you with a figure that is specific to your vehicle. I have attached a copy of our certified appraisal process for your review. We would also like the opportunity to buy your vehicle. Which option would you prefer? In this example, we're not giving up our first priority to gain a showroom appointment. However, we're also providing the customer with options to allow them to do business their way. If a customer requests an absolute best price, don't tell them that they'll have to come down to the dealership to get it. Sales managers, the old just get them in, does not resonate with this type of customer. Instead, provide the information the customer asked for and more. Provide a best price on at least 2 or even 3 vehicles. A similar new or pre-owned vehicle with more or less features, a company demonstrator, etc. Provide payment options, both finance and lease. Also offer a trade-in appraisal either online or at the dealership, and always ask to buy their vehicle even if they don't buy yours. If you want to significantly increase the number of showroom appointments from e-leads, plan on attending our one-day workshop, How to Reply to E-leads. This workshop is offered live, in dealership, and online. We've assisted dealerships and dealer groups across the country in achieving the highest e-lead conversion rates in the country. We'll share effective strategies for dealing with the 5 most common email inquiries. 1, new or pre-owned vehicle availability. 2, new or pre-owned vehicle information. 3, pricing, payment, incentives information. 4, what's my trade-in worth request? And 5, what's your best price request? Yes, we'll provide not only detailed strategies, but also a complete set of reply templates to make answering e-leads faster, more effective, and stress-free. We will also show your team how to use the latest tools and technologies that will differentiate you from the competition. If your dealership has invested in a digital retail platform, such as Digital Retailer, Moto Commerce, Roadster, or AIM, we will assist your dealership or dealer group in designing a complete digital sales process. For more information, call Ann Preston at 1-888-993-6468 or email her at apreston@wyemanagement.com. To view additional video success tips and learn about our various programs, visit wyemanagement.com. Thank you for watching. I'm Schulthies.